So I am completely fascinated by the unconscious mind, because with the unconscious mind you can almost do everything. All the things that you truly desire, you can really have all these. Of course, you won't be able to fly in the sky and to have like some kind of physical properties that will appear from nowhere, but you can find all your happiness, all the things that you truly want to have, all the things that you want to know. Everything comes from the unconscious mind, and if you truly connect to this special part of you, you can basically have almost everything. And that's why one of the main goals of your life is to be happy. And if you really connect to your unconscious mind and if you know how to do it, you will feel happy all the time, but really all the time, because your happiness comes from inside and doesn't come from the outside. It always comes from the inside. So if you truly feel happiness within yourself, you will feel every time happy. And of course, with your unconscious mind, you will be able to do so many things. All the things that you truly want to have, you will be able to attract them, because your unconscious mind will know that it's very important for you, and it truly knows how to do in order for you to have it. Your unconscious mind already knows how to do it. It's every time when there's a conflict between your conscious mind and your unconscious mind that it can be more difficult. But if you really know how to develop a really good connection with your unconscious mind, trust me, you will have everything you truly want in your life.